Want a free Turnitin Similarity and AI report without paying those expensive prices? Just head over to Google and search for Plagirazor, or simply visit plagiarism.com. Once you're on the website, create a free account. It only takes a minute. After registering, verify your email address and log in. Every newly registered account receives 2 complimentary credits. You can use these credits to either process a document or generate official Similarity and AI reports, completely free. Now open the Turnitin Reports dashboard, upload your document, and submit it. That's literally it. Your document will start processing immediately. Within a few minutes, your report will be available directly inside your dashboard. You can view and download your report anytime from your account. For convenience, the completed report is also sent to your registered email as an attachment, so you always have a copy. The entire process is straightforward, secure, and designed to save students both time and money, and the document is never stored in Turnitin's repository. No complicated steps. Just upload your document and wait for the report. If you found this helpful, the link to Plagirazor is in the description. Create your free account, claim your complimentary credits, and generate your first report today.